Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion, trusts in commercial law. In this video, we will explore the complexities of trust law across different jurisdictions. You will learn how variations in legal frameworks affect both the theoretical understanding and practical application of trusts, including the remedies available. This unit delves into the international context of trust law. It compares doctrines across different jurisdictions. The aim is to explore theoretical implications of these differences. Understanding these can help in grasping the broader landscape of commercial law. This knowledge is crucial for legal professionals dealing with international cases. For your assignment, include your name and registration number. Specify the unit level, which is Level 7 in Commercial Law Trust. This ensures all necessary information is present. It's crucial for identification and verification purposes. Adhering to these requirements is essential for a successful submission. An assignment declaration is vital for authenticity. It confirms understanding of plagiarism policies. It also ensures the work is original and acknowledges sources. This builds academic integrity and trustworthiness. It's a fundamental part of the submission process. Start your assignment with a table of contents. Use font size 12 and 1.5 line spacing. Insert page numbers for easy navigation. Begin with an introduction and include all assessment criteria in headings. These elements ensure clarity and professionalism. The first learning outcome focuses on equity principles in English law. The second examines trust usage in commercial transactions. The third differentiates trustee roles in commercial versus family trusts. The fourth explores international trust law relationships. These outcomes guide your learning journey. Task 1 involves understanding equity principles and trustee differences. Analyze how trusts are used in commercial settings. Compare these to family law trusts. Use case studies like IRC v. Hashmi to guide your analysis. This task builds foundational knowledge in trust law. Create a report analyzing express trust mechanics. Focus on beneficiary rights and trust functions. Compare various trust types, evaluating rights and obligations. Analyze trustee powers in commercial versus family trusts. This guidance ensures a comprehensive understanding of Task 1. Task 2 focuses on equitable devices in commercial contracts. Analyze quis-close trusts and security in loan contracts. Understand trust functions and compare trust types. Evaluate contract and trust law interactions. This task deepens your understanding of trusts in commerce. Write an essay on trust devices in commercial contracts. Evaluate trust types and party obligations. Analyze commercial transaction contexts with trust law. Critically assess trustee liability limitations. This ensures a thorough exploration of Task 2 themes. Task 3 examines trust law in an international setting. Produce a memo on protecting commercial trusts from creditors. Analyze commercial expectations and compare jurisdictions. Use recent case law for support. This task highlights the global aspect of trust law. Draft a legal memo on commercial trust protection. Analyze creditor expectations and compare international laws. Use case law to illustrate points. Ensure your memo is clear and well-structured. This task emphasizes practical application in international contexts. Submit your assignment in Word format. Adhere to the word limit with a 10% leeway. Ensure all sections are complete and well-organized. Include a comprehensive reference list in Harvard style. Proper submission is key to academic success. Use a wide range of sources and case law. Reference correctly using Harvard style. Avoid plagiarism by citing all sources. Ensure your work is original and well-researched. This maintains academic integrity and credibility. Read tasks carefully and focus on details. Use action verbs to guide your writing. Ensure your document is presentable and professional. Keep plagiarism below 20%. These tips help ensure a successful assignment. Conclusion. Having explored the key principles and applications of trust law, you are now well prepared to approach related challenges with confidence and clarity. You can reach us on WhatsApp at 074843616888 for any queries. A team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and see you at the following session.